Hi everybody, my name is Sylvia Sadowski and I'd like to welcome you to our second online leadership tutorial. It's important to take time each and every day to do something for your personal growth and development. With a lot of staff being encouraged to work from home these days, we wanted to share a valuable resource for you to continue to build on your professional development in a virtual way. If you're interested in learning about any of the following topics like comparing different leadership styles, understanding the importance of effective communication and diversity, coaching, and how to facilitate change in your teams, feel free to check out Mohawk College Enterprise's e-learning modules that are currently available at no cost. They're accessible through the text below as well as through Howie. I like them because they offer a lot of information that's relevant to our work as people leaders, and you also have the ability to complete them at your own pace and in no particular order. So if you're looking to brush up on your professional development, or if you have a staff member on your team who's expressed an interest through their PED to learn about leadership, we encourage you to make use of these e-learn modules and pass them along to your teams. Thank you.